Hey guys, welcome to Proprep, the platform that's helped over 500,000 students worldwide maximize their potential in STEM. We've got tens of thousands of video tutorials and study guides uniquely personalized to the courses of your degree. From our homepage, start by searching your uni to immediately see what custom content is waiting for you. For example, let's say you go to Imperial College London. Here you can see all the courses we offer for Imperial, which are divided by subject and then split into modules. The magic of Proprep is that this page will look different depending on where you study. Each module has several chapters. In each one, you'll get comprehensive theory and explanations, as well as practice exercises to cement your understanding. The courses aren't linear, so you can move around depending on what you want to focus on. Every chapter even has a workbook you can download with problems you can tackle, as well as videos to go through them afterwards step by step. All the courses are taught by experienced professors and divided up into bite-sized chunks to keep your learning as simple as possible. Once you click on the module you're looking for, you can see a breakdown of the topics and even preview the video content for all of them. At the end of your preview clip, create an account to continue watching. Click on the green button and enter your personal information on the next page. Then, choose the plan that works best for you, whether you want Proprep to keep you covered for a month, a term, or a whole year. Every Proprep user gets a 14-day free trial, so you'll only begin to be charged after 2 weeks of use. Lastly, put in your payment details, and if you've got a promo code, enter it here to get your discount. You're in! With a Proprep subscription, you have access to as many resources as you want, 24/7, over multiple devices. Just go to My Courses to get started. If you're looking for a specific uni module that you can't find, simply get in touch with us, and we'll compile a course especially for you within 48 hours. Keep your grades way up and your stress way down with Proprep, the best way to learn STEM.